how to send USDT from Binance to Bybit. In this tutorial, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how you can do that. First off, open up your Binance account and make sure that you have a verified account. Now, in order to check if you have USDT or not on your account, you're going to have to head over to your wallets, and then you can see all of your assets here. Now, all you have to do is go to Spot or the Funding tab, where you have your tokens stored. Tap on USDT and then click on Send via Crypto Network. Once you've done that, you're going to require an address. For that, you can open up your Bybit and then select your USDT. But before you do that, you can select a network here on Binance. You can select a network with the very least amount of transfer fee. So you can use the Ton coin right here on the second option. You could also explore other networks as well if you want. Then open up Bybit, and to get your receiving address, click on deposit, and then here search for USDT, and you will find your USDT address right here. Make sure to select the network as Ton. Then you can just copy your address, and then from there you can copy your tag or memo as well. Once you've copied your address, all you have to do is just go back and paste the address there and copy and paste the memo as well. Then enter the amount that you want to send and then click on withdraw. Once the transaction has been made, you can just go back to your Bybit and perform a simple refresh to see if you've received the amount or not. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.